Welcome back everybody. Today we're unboxing a brand new Oneplus Nord 4 in 2025. The Nord 5 is almost coming out, so you're probably wondering why now. I think it's especially a good time now because it's an amazing phone with some amazing features and the price is going down because the Nord 5 is coming out. So yeah, let's jump right in. I got a brand new one right here. So we're gonna cut this. And we're gonna see what's inside. All right, nice. We're gonna put this to the side over here. We got some books over here. Let's leave this over there to wait for it. All right, so this is empty. So we got the USB-A to USB-C cable. So there is no charger in the box, as you see. The only thing that's in here is the phone. So it is capable of 100 watt charging, which puts it from 0 to 100% in 24 minutes, which is pretty fast. But those chargers are getting pretty expensive, so I will put the price on the screen right now so you can see it. But at least a bright red cable, which we know of the brand OnePlus. They usually have these bright red cables. So we got a SIM ejector tool. We got a little, I don't know if you can read it, but we got a message from the Nord team. So that's nice. A card membership. I don't know what this is about, but I think it's gonna come in handy. Quick start guide, safety guide. And that's it. So we're gonna put that to the side. This we're gonna need later. All right, so now the phone itself, let's get it out of the box. All right, it's nicely packed. So first thing we see here are the two cameras. One camera is a 50 megapixel, which is the main camera. The other one is an 8 megapixel ultra wide. It is capable of 4K 60 FPS video, so that's nice. I don't think we can remove that later. There's also your flashlight right there. So let's check. So this is special button. It says, I don't know if you can hear it. Let's put it at my microphone. I hope you can hear that. But there's like 3 indistinguishable clicks, which is a nice button. I think you can assign these. Whatever you want to assign them to. So on the other side we have your on and off button and we have your volume buttons. It does, I think, come with a screen protector on it, so I'm not going to remove it just yet. Don't know if you can see it good. So yeah, that's the phone. Let's go through some of the specifications. It has a 6.74 AMOLED display, which is possible of 120 Hz, HDR10 Plus, and has about a brightness of 2100 nits. It has a Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 with an Adreno 732 GPU. It has this version has 12 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and 265 gigabytes of storage. So the front camera that you see right here has a 60 megapixel camera in it, so that's not bad but not too shabby either. As you can see, there's a speaker right here to talk to. It has in-display fingerprint, 10-bit color, and it has dual stereo speakers, but that's probably this one right here and this one right here. So it has an aluminum body, so that's something you don't see every day. But you use sometimes it's glass, but this is all aluminum, which is metal, which has been a big part of their marketing. So the weight is 199 grams. It runs Android 14. You get 4 years of major updates, but I think you can directly upgrade to Android 15, but we're gonna have to check that later in. All right, I'm gonna check if there's some juice in it. All right, it is turning on. Alright, the phone is booted up. There was a fly, so that's why I had to cut the video. I would like to clarify something. Some people might be saying there is a case with it, but that is not the case. So I bought a clear case for it because I like the aesthetic of the phone, but there are not a lot of options. So it's pretty simple silicone case, but I think it looks nice. It's changing the black a little bit to a gray. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, I think it looks nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go through the setup and then I will get back to you. So I set the phone up, nothing special. If you would like to see a video, but there are like thousands on the internet. I am going to put a picture that you can see right now of the camera. I'm also going to put a picture, not a picture, I'm going to put a little sound bite of it from the microphone, so you know how it sounds. This is the sound from the Oneplus Nord 4. So yeah, that was it. Maybe I'm going to review in a couple of months to see if it's still worth it. So the Nord 5 will be out by then and the prices will have dropped even further. So yeah, leave a comment and leave a like if you want to see that. And yeah, I want to thank you all for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.